This is for all my birder people out there. Get you a camera on your bird feeder and you'll catch a squirrel eating all your birdseed. Like a jerk. I mean, where's Bullwinkle? Get Rocky out of here. Let's fly right through the unboxing because some people love this, some people don't. Skip ahead if you don't. You got your bird feeder, your accessories. You got the hummingbird thing, the put an apple on their dilly whopper, and the mount. So here's about all the instructions for the install. Take this little plastic owl bracket, screw it on with the little plastic nut, get your strap. Here's where I made a fatal flaw. Do not fill the bird feeder until you've put it on the tree or post, wherever you're going to put it, because you'll see in a little bit what happens. All right, well, this looks like a good tree to put it on. And I'm only saying that because it's the only tree I have in my yard. And it's not straight, and it was a terrible choice. So here's the theory. You take this strap, it's just a ratchet strap. Hide your children as the creepy van cruises by. It's just a fail, right there. All the birdseed fell out, most of it. Oh, there it goes again. Don't put the birdseed in there before you have it mounted. Eventually I did get it up there, as you can see. Straps holding it nice and tight. Made it a couple days, but then it was just crooked. And I mean, look at the angle of that. Nobody wants that. The wife wasn't having it. So I decided new spot. I mean, look at that. Terrible. Another day, better idea. And look at, putting it on a post. Tree was not level. So this is pretty simple. You just screw it on, make it level. Terrible placement of the camera. Nobody can see it, so I apologize. But yeah. Oh, now we're talking. Now we should get some birds. We just have to wait. We still need bird food. See? I'm not as dumb as I look. This time I filled the bird feeder after it was installed. Who would have thought? Less of a mess, sort of. Who cares? It's outside. And it, of course, has an app, as everything does. You can record, you can take snapshots. There's actually an AI, shocker, to identify the birds when they land on your thing. Or you could just get squirrels like me.
Probably should trim that zip tie. What a great gift for Christmas. Get it for your birder friend, or your parents, or anybody who likes birds. You can watch them.